Hello my little pineapples, welcome back to my channel. I am so happy to be here today because I want to show you guys how to create this beautiful purple look. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry, my name is Luly Star. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you're not new, welcome back. Alright guys, so I already started by doing my face. Now we're just gonna go right into the eyes. And I don't know, I feel inspired to do purple. Lately I've been with a little purple obsession. I go through my phases where I want purple, where I want pink, where I want all these different colors. So I'm going through my purple phase. So don't judge. My little pineapple, so we're gonna start with the eyes. Today I'm gonna be working with the Jaclyn Hill palette. I haven't played as much as I would like to with this palette, but I feel like today we're gonna get some really good use out of it because I am inspired with this color. I'm gonna start with my blending brush, and all I'm gonna do is pick any nude from this top. It depends on your skin tone. If you're more olive, tan kind of like me, you can use either or because we want the most natural color possible as a base, just so it's easier to blend afterwards. So I'm just gonna go all over my entire eyelid. And a blending brush is perfect for this because it's so fluffy and it goes all over the eye very easily. Alright, so after we're done with that, I'm going to use a angle blending brush. I'm going to use my little angle blending brush from Luxie. Alright, so with my blending brush, I am going to use this color right here next to the yellow, which is, I have the colors somewhere over here. There, it's butter. We're gonna use color butter with the angle brush just to add into the crease right here. There we go. And we're gonna go side to side. She turns me out. And we're just gonna go side to side. We're not gonna touch the bottom eyelid. Just, we're gonna stay right in the middle. After, I'm gonna go back with my blending brush. You can use the same brush because we use a very light color, so it doesn't really affect the next color combination. So I am going to use the color, I'm looking at my little reference here, Faint, which is the third color right in this corner. It's the first pink. It's like a very shimmery pink. It's a beautiful color. And we're gonna layer that one also. And then we're going with the purples. Guys, I love me some purples. I love me some purples. Alright, so this is where my inspiration comes from. That purple, beautiful color, and this palette, because I feel like this palette from Makeup Forever was designed to use these three together, or like this line together, or this line. I don't know if that makes any sense. Like, I feel like this is all should be in one apply, like one makeup look. This is another makeup look, that's another makeup look. But then if you add this as a makeup look, or this as a makeup look, and so on and so forth, it will still look nice because every shade here, it's like in combination to match with each other. Like, it's so weird. I don't know, I really like this. I feel like if you need a palette, you know, I love Jaclyn Hill, but if you need a palette and you're not so, you know, into big eyeshadows, into so many, you know, colors, you may start with something like this, very small, that has the basics, but then it has, you know, some shimmer, which is this three right here, and that would be like your fancy colors. And if you want to add a little dramatic look, then you go there. So we're going to use this color right here, which is the shade M619. So we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Pointy blending brush. It is a blending brush, but it's pointy. I know I get this question a lot. It just doesn't have the code, guys. I'm sorry, but it's a blending brush because it's just the same, you know, concept but it's pointy. The corner is very like, I don't know if you guys can see it very well there. And we're gonna use this one to use the matte. The only thing I don't like about this palette is that there's a lot of fallout. I will tell you that much. But besides that, the colors are magnificent. Alright, so after we dab a little bit on the palette, we're gonna go lower. And we're just gonna put all over the lower eyelid. After we have applied our beautiful purple, we're going to use a flat brush. So a flat brush is those very flat brushes. It's exactly what they are. It's just a flat sideways. You see it's like a line, and then they go like this. You can find this one at MAC. The code is $249, brush $249 from MAC. So we're going to use the shimmery purple right here, and we're just gonna dab the brush. And now we're just going to dab because we want the most product to stay in our eye. When we do this motion, we're blending. We're not leaving the color as harsh. We're just doing it soft. When we are dabbing, it's because we want the most pigmentation possible. Okay? Okay. So this is what I'll be doing. And notice how I don't go all the way to the corner, because we'll do something there in a second. We're only going towards the middle. Right at the middle, we stop. We apply a little more product, and we're gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Back to this beautiful palette. And in this case, I'm going back with my pointy blending brush, like I showed you guys earlier. Just a little bit. We don't want that much because this color is very pigmented. So we're just gonna start from the corner all the way to the middle in the crease. We're not gonna do a harsh purple because it's a purple soft look. And like I said before, start with very little product. If you wanna add more, then it's better to build it up than to just add it all at once the first time, because then you might mess up your look. And then you could bring it a little higher if you wish to have more of a cat eye, but I don't. You can always play around and see how yours comes out, and then we're gonna grab more. Guys, if you want to invest in a palette, this is the palette to get. Every color is so beautiful. Alright, so we're going to use Light, this color right here on my brow bone. I'm just going to do a little bit right here, and then right here. And now we're just gonna blend it because alright, you guys, so once we're done with the top look, we're going to use our, we can go back to with the same blending brush, pointy blending brush, a small brush, and just combine these two and do the bottom eyelid. Alright, so now that we're done doing that, we're going to go back with our little 5-year-old brush that I love so much for this type of purposes. Again, back to my Jaclyn Hill palette right here. And I'm just going to add a little bit in my inner corners. You know, just add a little bit. We're going to do the same thing on the other eye. So you can finish the look right here, and then again just add a mascara, lip gloss, lipstick, whatever you like, and makeup look is done. But if you want to go that extra mile, you can do wing eyeliner like I will show you right now. Right, today I'm going to be using my Morphe purple gel liner. It's called Voodoo, and this is one of the new liners they came out with. comes in this cute little box. It's supposed to be this color. Never tried it. This is the first time. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to be using a Luxie 216 small angle brush. This is a very small brush, just so I can do the eyeliner. So let's see how this goes and how purple this is. Oh wow, it's more like on the, doesn't look that purple, to be honest. Like on the packaging it looks very purple. However, when you apply it to the skin, it's almost very dark that it looks black. Like, I don't know if I like it so much because I thought it was gonna be a bright purple. Look, I've done so many lines and they all look very dark. And then again, I don't want any harsh lines. I don't want any like super dark line. I just wanted to know that I just want it to be noticeable that I have eyeliner. But I really like the formula. It's very creamy, but it's not like uncontrollable creamy. It's very nice and soft. So I really like this eyeliner more than I was expecting. I mean, it's not so purple. You could definitely know it's not black, that it is purple, but it's not bright purple like it shows on the package and in the actual little container. Looks very bright, but I like it. I see myself doing just the eyeliner by itself and some super crazy lipstick. So once we're done with this, I'm gonna go ahead and apply lashes and I'll be right back. We're done. I'm going to use my Morphe Vanity lipstick. Alright you guys, so this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You're confident within your own skin and you'll be just fine. I'll see you guys until next time. Bye!